In this video, we'll show you how to configure the monitor of the Kitway Video Door Station Kit. When turning on the monitor, we see the following menu with different settings. If we press the Auto-On button, we'll see the live view of the street provided by the camera. We can take a screenshot, record a 15-second video, enable or disable the microphone, and use the key icon to activate the door opener if it is low consumption. Using this button, we can open our door if it is high consumption or a secondary gate. Finally, we can adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation of the camera and the opening times for the door and the secondary gate or door. We can also adjust the audio volume if we've answered the call, and if we haven't picked up, we set this bell icon instead, which allows us to adjust the ringtone volume. In the photo section, we find the snapshots taken by the panel, along with the date and time information. The same applies to the video section for video recordings, although in this case, we need an SD card for storage. In the intercom section, we can communicate with the monitor in our home. To do this, we first need to configure it. As an example, we will use the single-family one-way kit with 2 or more monitors inside a house. First, we go to the address section by swiping to the left. Here, we will name one monitor as the master and the other as Extension 1 or Extension 2. Now, we go back to one of the monitors in our home, go into the intercom section and select the monitor we want to call within our home, in our case, Extension 1. We will receive the call on the other monitor and press the answer icon to communicate. Remember that there are 2 dip switches on the back of the monitor. Dipswitch 1 corresponds to the line impedance adaptation. The monitor at the end of the line should have Dipswitch 1 set to on. Returning to the menu, in Exit, we can turn off the screen. By swiping to the left, we find more settings. In Melody, we can change the melody to differentiate the devices trying to contact us, such as the panel or another monitor. In Mute, we can schedule the silent mode for the desired time. We also have the option of changing the language. In Time, we'll adjust the time zone of our monitor. In Memory, we can manage the storage of saved photos and videos. By swiping down, we access a Quick Actions menu where we find the silent mode and photo or video capture, which we can enable and disable manually. In the case that we have a 2-way kit, we can distinguish between one home and the other using Dipswitch 2 with the off position for home 1 and the on position for home 2. The monitors in the kit are already configured this way by default. In the monitor's address menu, we have information about our home and we'll be able to see if we are assigned as home 1 or home 2. And that wraps up the configuration tutorial for the Kitway monitors. Thank you for your attention and see you next time!